Barbie number 2.
Really hard to put underwear on. This girl is just one mess. I am sorry. She's done.
What's her name?
Anna Hyundai.
Anna Hyundai's finished. That was
Peach
Grace.
Grace.
Peach Grace.
Okay, now I need to make a Brunswick.
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 Ooh, yeah. Good time on the bed.
Put this somewhere on there.
Ow!
No, it's going on somebody's head.
Someone else videotape for me. I want to make one.
Where did my leaf
Brooke,
go? Where did my woman go?
Brooke,
Tell me
videotape.
where my damn
I'm
woman
making
is.
I put it over here.
She's not done.
She's done.
I need to do her hair.
Peach Grace is
I
done.
need to do her hair.
Let her do her hair.
No, you know what? No.
Let her do her hair.
No, it's my turn. I want to make one.
Oh.
Ah, fine. I'll just do the video. What the heck? It's like Easter.
I think it's pretty.
Wear it.
You wear it.
You know what? You guys have to clean up my room.
She was like this.
Alright, this girl's gonna wear bright orange.
Closet.
Brooke.
My pretty wall.
Brooke.
And my arm.
Baby, I want something else. Goodbye.
Can you hold this for a second, Bray? Just videotape the house. Just hold it for a second.
What's a good TV show from it?
Framing Hanley.
Well, I don't want to go get it. Or we can listen to some sweet album music.
Okay.
Oh, pretty.
Once it stops, it's done.
What's its name?
Peach Grace.
There you go.
Do you love this music? No, I hate it. How come Barbies have such big boobs?
What's the question?
How come Barbies have such big boobs?
I don't know. They make them that way.
No, but the
He's like, what are you guys doing? Like playing
I can't get
Barbies?
Brad's clothes on